Hello dear students, how are you? Welcome to this video that will be talking about multiply fours. Are you ready? Let's say Bismillah. Here we're going to see number 4 as one of the factors. For example, we have 4 times 5 equals 20, which means we're going to add the 4 to itself 5 times, or we're going to add the 5 to itself 4 times. Do you remember when we said this in the class? So in the multiplication sentence, we're going to see number 4 in this revision. Okay, we have this picture. It is in our book and in our lesson. We're going to revise how do we work in this kind of questions. I have this picture and I want to see the number in all, the number of objects in all. Instead of repeated addition, I need to write a multiplication sentence. So I have to write number of groups times number in each group equals number in all. Do you remember how? Yes, of course. We count how many groups do we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We have 7 groups times how many do we have in each group? We have 4 balls or 4 objects. So 7 times 4 equals the number in all, such that we have 7 groups and each group has 4 balls. So we have 7 fours actually, which is represented by this multiplication sentence, and the answer will be the 7 added to itself 4 times, or the 4 added to itself 7 times, which is 28. Let's revise with each other this 4 times table. Are you ready? I'm going to mention the factors and you will mention the product. Are you ready? 1 times 4 is, you should say 4. Okay, let's start. 1 times 4 is, 2 times 4 is, 3 times 4 is, 4 times 4 is, 5 times 4 is, good job. 6 times 4 is what? Yes, you're right. What about 7 times 4? Yes. 8 times 4. Perfect. 9 times 4. And finally, 10 times 4. Thank you guys. It was a very good job. Now, let's remember how do we answer this kind of questions, the worded problems. 24. We have Joan. She puts her golf shirts in 3 drawers. Imagine that we have 3 groups. It's like saying we have 3 groups, 3 drawers. Each drawer has 4 golf shirts. So we have number of objects in each drawer, fixed number of objects, which is 4. So 4 in the first drawer, 4 in the second drawer, and 4 in the third drawer. How many golf shirts does John have? So we want the number of golf shirts in all the drawers, okay? That means we have 3 drawers and each has 4. And instead of saying 4 plus 4 plus 4, we're going to say that we have 4 times 3, or we have 3 times 4. So 3 groups times 4 objects in each, which means we have 12. Of course, it's correct to say 4 times 3 because we learned in the lesson of order of multiplication that changing the places of the factors will not change the product. It's still the same, right? So this is about question number 24. What about question number 25? Golf balls come 4 in each box. So each box that you will have, it will contain how many balls? It will contain 4 golf balls. Good job. We have our friend Mario. He gets 6 boxes. So the number of boxes that Mario has is 6. What about Tiger? The second friend or the other person, he has 8 boxes. Okay. So the first person, who is Mario, he has 6 boxes, and each box has 4 bulls. So the total number of bulls that Mario has is 6 groups times 4 objects in each box. So we have 24. What about Tiger? He has 8 boxes, which means 8 groups, and each group has 4 balls. So we have 8 times 4, which is 32. Great. Now, how many more does Tiger get than Mario? Look, there is a comparison. I want to see who is the person who has more than the other one. Who's bigger? Who has the larger quantity of balls? Of course, you're going to tell me the second person, who is Tiger. Good job. Now, how to see the difference between these two people? How many does Tiger have more balls than Mario? We're going to make a subtraction calculation. Why? Because we want to see the difference between the number of balls that both have. So we have to say 32 minus 24 equals 8. More than great, guys. So this is how do we think. Not only finding the multiplication sentence and this is all. No, complete the question to the end. So how many more does Tiger give that Mario? It is actually 8 balls. 8 balls that Tiger has more than Mario. Okay guys, stay safe everyone and thank you so much. Good luck.